I'm going to show you a complete demonstration of Fenix autopilot in, let's say, home conditions. So instead of battery, the autopilot will be connected to a step-down converter from the 220 volts to 12 volts, equivalent to a battery. Here you have. And also I have implemented a bearing compass simulator in order to simulate the ship uh, maneuvers and behavior. So that's why even if I calibrate in this exercise the compass, it will not reflect the real heading. So I'm connecting all the wires. This is the connection to the linear actuator, the muscle of the autopilot. So this connection should be to the deck of the boat, but again I'm in home conditions, so I have implemented a connection for testing purposes. Now I'm going to show you the app. So this is the starting page, then you press connect and the app connects via Bluetooth to the autopilot. As you see, the heading is fluctuating, is changing. This is because this is a simulation based on the rudder position. The behavior of the compass changes. So these are all the... I get into the compass calibration display and I press start. I will hear a beep confirming, here it is, that the system has received the order. It will take a few seconds to restart. The gyroscope is already calibrated. I'm going to calibrate the magnetometer, performing some random movements like 8s with your wrist. And there you have the M for magnetometer, already green, and the accelerometer requires to set 6 different positions for a few seconds. And there it is. So now it enters into a test mode that allows you to check if the different X, Y, and Z values are acceptable. So in a stand position you should see and finally you will have the bearing also displayed. Then whenever you are satisfied you can press save. I go to the linear actuator calibration display and I press start and it will beep again to confirm reception, and I have to extend to the maximum possible, and then I have to retract to the end to check which is the potentiometer value for the retracted position. There it is. So now I just have to save it takes a bit of time because it's calculating the error of the potentiometer value. And when you hear a beep, it confirms that it has been saved, and then you have the compass and the linear actuator calibrated. This will be recorded and you will not have to do it again